Oh, I might have to get in the fucking engine bay. Would you look at that, guys? Seen it all now. What's going on, YouTube? I got something extremely special for you guys today. And I don't really have a lot to do on my car. You know, it's not working. So I'm gonna try to leave it for the most part. But as you know, I just hit 100 subscribers. And I think I'm gonna do a giveaway. So all you gotta do is watch this video and leave a comment. Tell me something you liked, something you didn't like, or whatever. Just say something. And I'll be picking a random commenter. I gotta use the honor system, so if you guys don't really subscribe, I'm not gonna know. St. Patrick's Day, perfect. March 17th. I will pick a winner. And prize, I know what it is, but we're gonna let that remain a secret. Now I'm just gonna install these vacuum hoses. And yeah, enjoy. Alright guys, so if you order these from Euro Compulsion like I did, I'll put the link in the description. Probably gonna want a pair of these. I just got them. They should help me out tremendously, but these are numbered and they do have instructions on the website telling you where each one goes. And this one, number 1, is gonna go from this small connector on your intake. And I've never used these, so. Oh my God, that was so easy. Yo, I could have saved literal days off my installs with these things. Oh, slip that off. Well, maybe we won't. You know what? I'm gonna move. You know what? This is also, I think we replaced this one too. Let's do that one first. That's clipped in. Yeah, let's move that. Yep, just use that to pull it off. And this one is, all right, so it's clipped into this thing, this little housing thing. So this one will be the hose under here, the one on the bottom of the pressure sensor. Oh my God, I might have to take this other one off the wastegate. Bang, got it. Oh, but it looks like there's 2 on it. Got it. All right, you guys see that? This hose is an asshole. All right, we can take it off here too. Let me see if I have a screwdriver. Go ahead. There we go. That's one. Oh man. Oh no. Oh no. And she's out. Woo. All right, like I said, hose number 1. Oh, so nice out today. All right, yep, she's on there. Pull out number 2. We don't litter. Never that. And these silicone hoses are gonna outlast these for sure. Number 3, this one's gonna be a bitch. All right, it's this one right here. So this one's gonna be easy. But where it connects to might not. And that is under the turbo. And I don't know if it's gonna work for any of you guys either, but we will see. Well, one part will, for sure. If not, it'll still be cool to have. And this clamp is in an extremely fucked position. Use a screwdriver to spin it just a little bit. Yes. Can there be a more cramped engine bay? Like, let me know. What's the most cramped engine bay you've ever worked in? I'm sure there's like some little hatchbacks that are a little tighter than this, but I'm sure we're up there. Wiggle her free. Oh, yes. Another screwdriver. I don't think that's how that's supposed to come off. Okay, it is the right hose though. So, things don't always go how we want them to around here. We know that. Yeah, it's definitely not supposed to come out like that. Alright. This one's fucking in there, man. That's gonna be a super bitch. Especially since I can't see it. Dude, it's right there. Oh, I spun it. Oh, can I just pull this off? Dodge, I love you. And then it's gonna be a super pain to get out of here. And we still gotta take this off. Damn, that was on there tight. Whew. And my back is killing me. Alright, so that one's gonna be hose 3. We already did hose 4, the intercooler pipes. Still gotta zip tie that. Me out here in February with no jacket. Alright, we can put that back into place. Can slip you on here. So I'm a bitch to take off. Let's hope it's not that bad to put back on. Oh. Easy like Sunday morning. But it's Wednesday. It's pretty much Wednesday every time I'm out here. Alright, sorry you guys can't see this, but you know, my turbo is not translucent. And this one is gonna be a bitch to put back on, for sure. Alright, that one actually seems extremely loose. And we were able to just, you know, rip it straight off of the nozzle without undoing the clamp, so that's probably not great. I might want to go back and put a clamp in there eventually. And this one, I believe, goes right here. Right there. This one's a little bigger clamp, a lot bigger clamp, but same process. Should be easier with a bigger clamp actually. Oh, I might have to get in the fucking engine bay. Would you look at that, guys? Seen it all now. I'm fucking in here. Do not do this. You're a heavy guy. Or girl. Because this thing is plastic and you will break it. That should be good enough. Sure was. Alright, and this one, oh, like I said, you're gonna break something. I'm gonna break something. But I break stuff a lot. Oh, I think I just opened up my scab. Yeah, I'm bleeding. Man, I'm like literally the whole way in my engine bay. And these clamps, I bought the special clamps. I mean, special pliers. I'm back. Yo, this thing breaking my pliers? Man, these are the cheapest pliers ever. We gotta hurry up and finish, guys. Oh, fuck. Damn. Oh, and we lost the hose. We got the clamp, lost the hose. And my pliers are broke. Single use. Oh man, here it is. I'm throwing those away. Nobody wants those. Put the one in the back on first. Oh. That looks stupid. Should I go in between here? Oh, it's gonna be a bitch to take off. Nah, I think that's good. Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, so hose 1 from the intake to the bottom of the pressure sensor. Hose 2 from wastegate actuator to the front of the pressure sensor. Hose 3, top of the pressure sensor to underside of the turbo. 4 is intercooler piping to, what is this? And then hose 5, PCV box to that bad boy. She's all done. Looks great. A little bit of hard work. Bleeding. It's all in a day's work, guys. All in a day's work. And she looks fucking clean now. But like I said, guys, we got that giveaway coming up on the 17th. So make sure you're subscribed, leave a comment on this video. I'm throwing all this stuff away. Bag, hoses, pliers. These pliers broke, man. They're only $9, but hey. So I won't be getting another $9 set. And get the good stuff. But alright, guys, that's it. That's all I got for you today. Keep it real, take it easy. Ooh, that did not sound good.